Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to secure your cPanel login using two-factor authentication or 2FA. If you want to make sure your website stays safe from hackers, adding this extra layer of security is a must. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into cPanel. First things first, you need to log into your cPanel account. Head over to your hosting provider's cPanel login page, enter your username and password, and click Login. Once you're in, you'll see the cPanel dashboard. Step 2. Find the two-factor authentication option. Next, you're going to look for the two-factor authentication feature. Scroll down to the security section or use the search bar at the top by typing in two-factor authentication to find it quickly. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to open the setup page. Step 3. Set up two-factor authentication. Now, you'll see an option to set up two-factor authentication. Click that button and you'll be shown a QR code on the screen. Here's where you'll need an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone. Open your app, tap the option to add a new account, and scan the QR code that's displayed on your cPanel screen. If for some reason you can't scan the code, don't worry. You can manually enter the code shown under the QR image into your app. Step 4. Enter the authentication code. Once you've added your cPanel account to the app, it will start generating 6-digit security codes. These codes change every 30 seconds, so you always get a fresh one. Now, take the current code showing in your app, head back to cPanel, and enter it in the security code box. After entering the code, click Configure Two-Factor Authentication. If everything is set up correctly, you'll get a confirmation that 2FA is now enabled on your account. Step 5. Back up your recovery codes. One last thing before you're done, make sure you back up your recovery codes. Most cPanel setups will give you a few backup codes in case you lose access to your authentication app or phone. Save these codes somewhere safe. They'll help you regain access if needed. Step 6. How to remove two-factor authentication. If you ever want to remove two-factor authentication, it's pretty simple. Go back to the two-factor authentication section in cPanel. You should see an option to remove two-factor authentication or similar. Click on that and then confirm this by clicking the Remove option. After confirming your choice, 2FA will be turned off and you'll just need your username and password to log in. And that's it. You've successfully secured your cPanel account with two-factor authentication. From now on, every time you log in, you'll need both your password and a unique code from your phone, making it much harder for hackers to get in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more useful tips on securing your website. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy and stay safe.